Hey everyone, today I'm putting the NovaBlast 5 to the test, and honestly, it's one of the most fun trainers I've tried in a while. Right out of the box, you feel the difference. The cushioning is incredibly soft and springy thanks to the full-length FF Blast Max foam, so each step feels lively but still smooth. The upper hug is nice too. The engineered jacquard mesh gives you breathability and a nice fit without feeling too tight. I especially like how it handles easy runs, longer sessions, and even up-tempo segments. It's not built just for one type of run, it's versatile. The ride is playful but still comfortable for everyday use. On the flip side, if you're after a highly aggressive race shoe or something ultralight for tempo runs, this might feel a bit more daily trainer than speed weapon. Also, while it handles many surfaces well, the outsole isn't the sticky grip champ when things get wet or slick.